To keep tomato plants nice and tidy and easy to control, cut out the suckers. They grow up the main vine stem right above a leaf stem. When the suckers are new and have just recently emerged, you can just grab and pinch them off. In an effort to prevent diseases like blight, I also cut off leaves that are hanging and touching the ground, since a lot of the diseases live in the soil, and when it rains they splash up onto the leaves. It's also a good idea to check back on locations where you already cut out a sucker. This tomato is trying again. I took out one sucker and here it added another, so let's just grab that. Nope. And nope.